5 with this harmonica.
Song. You say it out here? All right. This is your Valentine's Day song. Down in your basement, a couple times by side of the fence. They get so wet, you better learn how to spin. Grass stains on your knees, marinara on your sleeves. We've been doing laundry every night of the week. Well, every on the bed takes care of that too. Said that shit is delicate all afternoon. Well, damn girl, take off your pants, girl, and I will toss them in the washing machine. Hey, damn girl, take off your pants, girl. Got the lights and the dark, gotta keep them separated. Got the color safe bleeds, keep you tied up and rated. Cause so low, cause I know you gotta have it. Girl, I give you bouncing every time about this fabric. Well, it reminds me, I can press and fold it. If you want some more, well, we can take it slow, girl. We can tumble over. Just have your magic carpet, I can show you the world. Now, damn, girl, take off your pants, girl, and I will toss them in the washing machine. Outside your door with another box of chocolates. Yeah, I've been drinking out my drunk, no, now you give me lingerie, but the simple lingerie. Got the girls in February, well, the tins and now it's getting late. You can take this bottle of tall champagne to the dedicated card, bitch, you still be mine. Now I try to get the girls there, the one on your pants, girl. Take off your pants, girl, and I will toss them in the washing machine. Take
that? I don't know. I just heard drums in there. All right. All right.
I'll give you my pants later. They need washing.
Happy Valentine's Day, everybody.
I have Roman came in with the harmonica.
Screwed up a couple lines.
That was
there.
awesome. Perfect.
Screwed up a couple lines there.
Get less.
I'm not sure. Videos even come out at this point.
Oh, who knows? It's got a dark.
Maybe. All right, sweetie.
That's it for me.
I don't know when fireworks is starting, but if you want to.
That's it for me. I'll come back. No,
Great jam.
I will come back. I'll come back.
You'll come back. Okay.
I'll come
Hey,
back.
it's good to see you.
Charlie.
Good to see
All right,
you.
cool. Fridays are good too.
Nice
Nice harmonica.
All right. What do you think?
Yeah, boy.
What do we got?
Okay, you want to play?